Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Zoho Desk SLAs and escalation rules, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To configure SLAs and escalation rules in Zoho Desk, first, log into your Zoho Desk account. Navigate to the setup icon in the top right corner. In the setup menu, locate the automation section and click on SLAs. Click on the Create SLA button to initiate the configuration process. Enter a name for your SLA that clearly describes its purpose. Select the support channel for which the SLA will apply. Define the response and resolution times according to your business needs. You can set different times based on priority levels such as high, medium, or low. Once you've entered the times, review the conditions under which this SLA should apply. Set conditions based on factors such as ticket status, department, or custom fields. After setting the conditions, click on Save to finalize your SLA settings. Now, to configure escalation rules, return to the Automation section in the Setup menu. Click on Escalation Rules. Hit the Create Escalation Rule button to begin configuring. Provide a name for the rule that reflects its purpose in the escalation process. Define the escalation criteria, including affected department and ticket priority. Select the time duration after which a ticket should be escalated. You can specify different actions to take when a ticket escalates, such as notifying a manager or changing the ticket status. Once you have set the escalations, make sure to review all configurations. After verifying the details, click on Save to implement your escalation rule. To ensure everything is working as intended, test both the SLA and escalation rules with sample tickets. Review the results to confirm that notifications and timings are functioning correctly. Make adjustments as needed based on your testing results. With these steps completed, you are now set to efficiently manage SLAs and escalations in Zoho Desk. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.